Welcome to Auto Trend, your go-to source for the latest automotive insights. In today's episode, we're steering our focus towards the all-new 2024 Lexus GX 550. This luxury SUV promises a blend of rugged capability and refined comfort, perfect for both off-road adventures and city driving. Before we dive into what makes the GX 550 stand out, please note that we are doing a cash giveaway when we hit 500 subscribers. To enter yourself into the giveaway, simply comment on this video and be subscribed to our channel. Overview. The Lexus GX, known for its midsize off-road prowess, has finally received a much-needed redesign for the 2024 model year. With an all-new platform, updated powertrain, and a host of modern features, the new GX 550 retains only its rugged appearance from its predecessors. Its boxy Land Cruiser-inspired exterior is designed to stand the test of time, which is great given the GX's reputation for long product cycles. This 2024 GX 550 is built on the same robust body and frame platform as the 2024 Toyota Tundra. In the Lexus SUV lineup, it finds its place between the LX, which is the luxurious off-roading flagship, and the TX, which focuses more on interior space and on-road comfort. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2024 Lexus GX 550 starts at $64,250, with prices reaching up to $81,250 depending on the chosen trim and options. This SUV has two distinct personalities, a luxurious on-roader or a trail-conquering off-roader. For those who plan to spend most of their time driving on paved roads, we recommend the luxury trim. This version elevates the GX 550's interior with semi-aniline leather upholstery, 10-way adjustable front seats with massage, heating, and ventilation. Plus, it features larger 22-inch wheels that enhance its upscale appearance. Alternatively, for the same price, the Overtrail Plus trim offers a more rugged look and greater off-road capabilities. However, it sacrifices the GX's third row of seats and some luxury features mentioned earlier. If your plans include outdoor adventures, the Overtrail Plus is definitely worth considering. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood of the GX 550, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that delivers an impressive 349 horsepower. This outpaces the previous generation's V8 engine. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, every model comes equipped with four-wheel drive as standard. In performance tests, the GX 550 Premium accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 6.2 seconds, a full second faster than its predecessor. On the road, the GX 550 offers plenty of power and feels lively right from the start. However, the ride can be a bit stiff, particularly with the larger optional wheels. While handling isn't its strongest suit, the steering is precise and the performance is suitable for a tall and boxy SUV. Where the Lexus truly excels is off-road, thanks to excellent outward visibility, which proves invaluable when navigating tight trails. Fuel efficiency. Even with the switch from a V8 engine to a twin-turbo V6, the fuel economy of the GX 550 sees only a slight improvement over the 2023 model. The EPA predicts it will achieve 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway, compared to the previous year's 15 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. The GX 550's robust powertrain and full-time four-wheel drive system contribute to its lower efficiency, making it less fuel efficient than some might hope. Interior and comfort. Despite its rugged exterior, the GX 550 offers a luxurious interior. You can choose between faux or genuine leather upholstery in a variety of colors. The Overtrail models are designed as two-row vehicles, providing seating for up to 5 passengers. However, the premium and luxury trims offer 3 rows, accommodating up to 7 passengers. Surprisingly, the second row space is somewhat limited given the GX's overall size, and the third row is quite cramped. As a 5-passenger vehicle, the GX is adequate, but if you plan to carry more passengers, be prepared for some complaints about the tight quarters. Cargo space. In 3-row versions of the GX 550, cargo space is quite limited with all seats up, offering just 10.3 cubic feet. However, folding down the third row expands this to 40.2 cubic feet, and with the second row folded, you get a spacious 76.9 cubic feet. Cargo space is significantly better in the 2-row Overtrail trims, which don't have a third row. These models provide 45.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats and an impressive 90.5 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. The only drawback is the height of the cargo area's load-in space, which can make lifting heavier items a bit of a challenge. Infotainment system and technology. Every GX 550 model comes equipped with a 14.0-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also features a separate 12.3-inch digital gauge display, which can be customized to show various driver information. Most models include 6 USB-C ports throughout the cabin, while the Overtrail and Overtrail Plus trims come with 4. An optional wireless smartphone charging pad is also available. For audio, the standard setup includes a 10-speaker stereo, but sound lovers can opt for the premium 21-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system. While the navigation maps can be a bit laggy compared to using wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, voice commands function well, though it must be said that they lack the advanced capabilities found in the latest BMW and Mercedes systems. The GX 550 also boasts a comprehensive suite of standard driver assist technologies. However, the user-friendliness of some systems could be improved. For instance, the driver attention monitor, which is located atop the steering column, may constantly remind you to sit up if you place your hand on top of the steering wheel. This obstructs the camera's view of your face. Additionally, the available low-speed hands-free driving system operates only up to 25 miles per hour, causing it to frequently activate and deactivate in heavy traffic. This can be more frustrating than simply keeping a hand on the wheel. Towing abilities. When it comes to towing, the GX 550 impresses with a capacity of up to 9,096 pounds. This far surpasses crossover competitors like the Land Rover Defender, BMW X5, and Genesis GV80, and even outperforms the Chevrolet Tahoe. As for the upcoming hybrid powertrain, towing capacity details haven't been released yet, but we'll keep you updated as soon as we know more. Safety and driver assistance features. The GX 550 comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance features aimed at enhancing safety and accident prevention. This includes standard automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and lane departure warning systems. Warranty and maintenance coverage. In terms of warranty coverage, Lexus offers impressive benefits that outshine competitors like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. The limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. The powertrain warranty extends to 6 years or 70,000 miles. These are pretty standard in the luxury SUV segment, but in addition to this, Lexus provides complimentary maintenance for 1 year or 10,000 miles, which is rare in its class. As we wrap up our exploration of the 2024 Lexus GX 550, it's clear that Lexus has struck a balance of luxury and capability in this revamped SUV. From its robust twin-turbo V6 engine to its spacious and tech-rich interior, the GX 550 excels both on and off the road. Whether you prioritize luxury cruising or adventurous off-roading, the GX 550 offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and comfort. With Lexus's renowned reliability and extensive warranty coverage, it's a solid choice in the competitive midsize SUV segment. Thanks for joining us on Auto Trend. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, folks, stay safe on the roads.